Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of Junior 1. Our today's topic, missing numbers, Part 2. Dear students, this is lesson number 12 and SW number 12 also. Okay, now let's start our today's class. At first, here 253 exists. Now, next number of 250, that means after 253 which number will come? It's very easy, 254 will come. So we'll write here 254. Now 253, 254, 255, then 256 and 257 will come. So next number will be 256, then 257. After 257, 258, 259, then which number will come? It will be 260, 260, then 261, and last number will be 262. That means 262. Now we'll solve two numbers. Here first box is blank and second number is 332. Dear students, previous number of 330. Previous number of 330 is 329. So we'll write here 329. 329. Then after 330, which number will come? 331. 331. Okay. Then 32, 33. After 333, 334 will come. So we'll write here 334. Then which number will come? Next number of 334 and previous number of 336 is very easy. It will be 335. So we'll write here 335. Now 300, after 336, 337 will come. So we'll write here 337. Okay, we have solved two numbers. I hope you have understood. Now we'll solve three numbers. Here first number given 491. After 491, which number will come? It will be 492. 492. Then after 92, 93 will come. So next number will be 493. Then two numbers given, 94, 95. After 95, 96 will come. So it will be 496. Now, then after 496, 497 here given. After 497, then 498. You have to write here 498. Then 499 exists here, and last number will be 500. That means 500. Okay, dear the students, we have finished our today's CW. I hope you have understood. Now I am giving you SW. Dear students, our today's CW is your SW also, and the SW number will be 12. This is 12 number SW. Okay, do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.